I am Andrew Dean. I'm CTO of Prisidio. We are a secure digital vault where you can store all the most important information in your life. We wanted to make it easier for our users to add data to their vaults. So we thought about, where does this important information come from? Are these really important documents in your life? Well, it's typically life events. Like when life events happen, somebody signs something inside the Docusign platform. And when a partner sends an agreement through Docusign, it can automatically land inside the Presidio's vault. So that makes it easy for the user, but it also gives the partner a revenue stream, because then they can sell users a digital vault as part of that workflow. We want to be able to integrate with all of these different providers. And to do that one by one, and have to work with every single one of those vendors individually, would take forever. But if we can use Docusign as this single entry point, integrate once, and then use that seamlessly across all of these customers, it's really powerful for us and makes it so much easier for these partners that we're integrating with. They can just go to the App Center, install the extension app, use the same Maestro template, and we can onboard vendors immediately. And for our end users, they've got security. They can have these agreements delivered through a really secure channel. They always know that that agreement's safe, it's secure, and it's shared with the people who need access to it.